Avec une sincère gratitude, nous remercions de tout cœur Maître Suprême Shingai pour avoir partagé avec nous des merveilleux plats végans et des astuces de cuisine faciles. Aujourd'hui, nous avons le plaisir de vous présenter ce mets de Maître Suprême Shingai, une fondue estivale avec des légumes frais, des tempura végans et plus encore.
It's summer and we're gonna have some simple like food. This is alternative to barbecue, okay? Like when you cannot barbecue because you live in an apartment and all you have is a balcony maybe or a deck outside of your room and you're not allowed to barbecue. Then you can do something different. Like we can fry the stuff, yeah?
Yeah.
And everybody can enjoy just the same. I'm going to show you how. Okay, you have some vegan tempura. Yeah. You can buy any kind of vegan tempura. And you have some vegan sausage. Whatever you like to fry. It's vegan, it's just not tempura all together there. And we have also tofu, ready-made tofu, or raw tofu. Yeah? Okay, what's the tomatoes? Yeah, it doesn't matter actually. You can have without tomato, without salad. It's nice that we have salad. It's summer, no?
Yeah.
We have salad, we have cucumber, we have lettuce here. That's just fine, okay? We have tofu here. We cut it into sticks like this. Huh? Long sticks. Halve it. Just like vegan sausage size. Put them all here together. Cut the cucumber. 1, 2, 3. Cut it like that. It doesn't matter how you cut actually. Cut it the way you want. The tomatoes, you halve it like that. Yeah, put together with the cucumber. And I'll show you what to do next. Tofu, you have to rinse the water out. Because I put it in the water to keep it fresh, understand?
Yes.
You empty the water and you rinse it in filter water. Here we have filter water. And squeeze a little. And use kitchen towel to dry it. Dry a little bit because they're all wet.
Yes.
Okay, and then now you cut them into like some size. There, all down size. When you're cooking, you better recite some holy names. Jesus' name, Buddha's name, or Mohammed's name, peace be upon him, Allah's name,
Yes.
Guru Nanak name, God's name, yeah, okay?
Okay.
Because I am explaining to you, you think I'm not reciting. I am reciting, always at interval, to bless the food, to make the food transform into nutrition and light. Okay?
Okay.
You soak the vegetable in water, in salted water. But sometimes I'm not sure, so I spray vinegar solution on it. The vinegar solution is hot water, hot vinegar, yeah?
Yes.
And then I rinse it again. I soak it already in salty water and I rinse it already, but I spray also some solution of vinegar on it, just to make sure. There we are. And even if you buy ready-made salad, lettuce or salad in the shop, you should rinse it again quickly, either with salty water and water, or at least filter water, okay? Now we're going to prepare this stuff. Meanwhile, I'm also preparing some fruit.
Okay.
You remember the sorbet that I told you guys?
Right.
Normally you chop into small pieces and put into the deep freeze. Remember that?
Yes, I remember.
You don't have to do that even. You can throw the whole fruit in there.
Yes.
I just did just now. I throw the whole fruit in there. And then when you bring it out, you leave it for a while until it's not too hard, and then you can cut it. You can cut it into pieces like this. Or any pieces you want. And it tastes exactly like the sorbet that you have in the restaurant.
Wow.
Yeah, without much ado.
Yes.
Without much energy wasting. And I told you already, you can put it in the blender and make it smooth.
Yes.
But if you don't, it's still good. Save the blender. Okay, I'm just preparing some food meanwhile. I throw the whole piece of watermelon and still here. Just put it in the fridge.
Yes.
Deep freeze like this. Cover it.
Yes.
Or don't cover, even fine. And then cut it into small pieces. As small as you want. And then you put them on the dish. It's very hard. It's been in the fridge too long.
Yes.
But if it's too hard like this, you can leave it outside for maybe some minutes. And then you try again. This is good for my muscles. Yeah.
Yes.
Cooking is fun. You don't have to go to the gym. If I do this all the time, do I need a gym at all? No, huh?
No.
No way. Okay. Dragon fruit?
The dragon fruit.
Yeah. I just cut it down. It's a nice fruit. Well, we are successful, but it was with a lot of muscle. Oh, that's cool like this or not? Is it cool? Wow, it's nice. Nice fruit, no?
Yeah.
Fruit is really delicious. Maybe we can just be fruitarian.
Sure.
Already better than breatharian, no?
Right.
Vegetarian is already better than fruitarian. I mean, for many people, because they're not used to being without food.
Yeah.
Okay, we can skip it here for now first. Then we do the rest. Remember I told you about the dragon fruit?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, okay. Alright, I cut them like that, of course. Well, you know it already. If you don't, you look back at my cooking last year or something.
Sure.
Yeah, the old program, you can always have access to it, no?
Yeah.
See, we use it like barbecue, yeah. Oh, wow. But we use chopstick instead. You can also use the stick, yeah?
Oh yes,
But chopstick, you can reuse it again.
sure,
We
yes.
prepare this and then we just throw it in the oil. That's right. Like a vegan tempura.
Oh yeah, so easy.
And then we're going to drop it in. Put it a little bit deeper, otherwise it will break.
Oh right.
Okay, do what you want.
Yeah, okay, yes.
You can reuse this chopstick again, so you don't have to throw it out. Because it's thicker, it burns.
Yes.
This is vegan tempura.
Oh wow.
because some people don't have the barbecue. They cannot barbecue in their apartment.
Yes.
So this is like for social.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah. When the oil is hot, you just put it in there and wait.
Okay.
Now eat with bread, huh? And ketchup, cucumber. Yeah. And cucumber. So do it for decoration. Leave it there. Eat fresh, huh? Cucumber,
Yes.
you don't have to fry it.
No. It's it's more healthy that way.
Just nice to stick everything.
Yeah. And it's so easy as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't burn so quick. And it's like stable, yeah? I changed to a smaller pot because like this it's just nicer size. So the chopstick will not just dip in oil, just the food. It's much better. See, after you fry it the way you want, as much as you want, even just for a quick while, as long as it's hot, yeah? And look right, that should be enough. And then you put it in the plate with the kitchen towel. Turn around a little bit so not too much oil.
Yes.
If you're afraid of being fat, of course. Yeah, alright. Too much oil is never good anyway, whether
Right.
you are afraid of being fat or not. Yeah?
Yes.
So just this size is good enough. And this one you don't eat every day. It's forbidden. Yeah?
Yes.
Too fattening. Okay. The tofu is not yet completely done. When it's done, it should be like golden like this, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. But you can also eat it like that. It's not forbidden. Okay?
Okay.
Now we put a new one in and get ready for the next one. And after we eat this, we use the sticks again. So it never wasted. Voila. After the oil is boiled, you should see to that it's not too much boiling, yeah? Maybe
Yes.
put it on 2/3 or half of the heat. It depends, huh?
Sure.
Right. Okay, there you are. You see, when the tofu is not yet cooked, it stays at the bottom. Everything else stays at the bottom. But when it's kind of cooked a little bit, it will float, yeah?
Yes.
That's when you can eat already, but you can wait until it's more golden. It's up to you, yeah? The big tempura will be floating anyways because it's lighter. It doesn't matter.
Yes.
And you put him down again, or to let him float also fine. It will cook in any case. Good. You remember the sorbet
Yes.
left over last time? I just left it in the fridge, and you can put it in your fruit juice, yeah?
Wow.
Like that. Yeah. It will be bubbling with color. Big. See that? And it tastes good. Yeah?
Yes.
Instead of ice or together with ice is fine. See that? I
Yeah.
have also ice cube in it, but I have also this sorbet. You can make the sorbet and fill your ice tray with it.
Yes.
And then when you use it for your juice, you put it out instead of cube. Okay?
Yes.
And make as many colors you want. It's colorful. Huh?
Yeah.
It's nice for summer, no?
Definitely.
Okay. Voila. And the rest you can eat as sorbet. You eat just like that. You put pepper, ketchup, or salt. It's right there. Yeah. You can have salad also together and the bread. Yeah? Welcome. Enjoy. Enjoy. Here is the juice. Wow, it has some little red, thing on it. It's very nice.
Wow.
Eat. Enjoy. Is it good?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Yes.
Nice for summer, no?
Very nice.
Yes.
can have water or juice with it. It doesn't matter what. You can use olive oil or other oil. But when you use other oil, it might be bubbling very fast. So be careful.
That's tasty.
Tasty, huh?
Yeah.
Summertime, when the living is easy. This is the jumping and the cotton is high. Your daddy is rich and your mama is pretty. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. Summertime, when the living is easy. This is a jumping and the cotton is high. Your daddy is rich and your mama is pretty. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. You see, we cannot let the dogs out yet because we have oil and we have cable and all that. But the dogs can eat later. I'm worried they stumble on the electric cable because we need them. That's why, huh? If we're not cooking, we can leave the oil on low or turn it off, and when we cook, we do it again, huh? Please. Right, thank you. Save whenever we can. Huh. Dogs are a little upset because we didn't include them. Can't have everything. We saved some for you. Don't worry. It's nice, huh? The deck that we made, huh? Yeah. How useful, eh? Yeah. Otherwise, such a small mountain house like this, how we even have a front yard, eh? We have to create things, otherwise we don't have, huh? You see the way I made it, you know? Just some wood and then the fence around it. So we don't have to make a wood balcony, huh? Save a lot of work, no? And it's safe just the same. Very safe. It won't go rotten even, it's just nice. Yeah. And if it's, the fence is rotten someday, we will change the fence. It's quick. Take maybe 10 minutes, huh? No need professional to come in. We do it ourselves. I invent a lot of stuff, eh? Okay. You guys enjoy, yeah?
Yes, Master.
Yeah, a lot more. Okay.
Thank you.
A lot more. You know the French, they call this fondue. Normally they use cheese, but we don't eat cheese, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll eat tofu cheese, but we don't have it, so.
Okay.
They use cheese to dip in oil, you know, deep fry like this. And then the cheese melt, and they eat it with boiled potatoes or baked potatoes, jacket potato.
Yeah.
The potato they bake with the skin on, and they eat it with cheese like that. Winter time, yeah.
Yeah.
Summertime also, why not? We all work like mad, won't be able to get better. You can even eat like this without salt and pepper, nothing, right?
Yeah.
And without sauce even, yeah? These things, they are tasty in themselves already, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Not too bad. Take a little salt. Yeah, just a little bit. Well, oh, no. Also fine. Yeah. Okay, huh?
Yes.
I get the what this, see? That's how we eat. It's summer, you know? You want this pepper, Salt.
Everything is needed is present.
Ketchup.
Okay.
Okay, wanna put it?
Thanks a lot, but I will do also.
No, we've been eating before you came. We
Okay.
didn't know you were coming.
Yes.
It's just spontaneous.
When he's ready, eh?
No, we didn't know you were coming home yet. Normally we do it ourselves. But because I heard your call, I thought, oh, let's invite our neighbor to come. He's home.
Very kind on your side.
You alone there?
I am not alone because there are the Romanian.
Oh, really? They're working.
Yeah.
Go ahead, enjoy. You want ketchup or not?
No.
Okay. It's boiling hot. It's okay?
It's perfect.
I told you it's nice. Vegan can be nice, no?
Very good.
All these are vegan. I mean, no meat, no egg, no dairy. Completely vegan. This vegan. Sausage.
The taste is good, eh?
It tastes good. Japanese vegan. Tempura.
Yeah. What system? Taste is good.
Tofu.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. And fresh vegetable. And fruit. Yeah, what else you want, huh?
That's perfect.
Buon appetito.
Grazie.
Molto buone. Molto bene.
Molto buono.
How you say vegetarian in Italian?
Vegetariano.
Vegetariano. Oh, à peu près.
Very,
Enjoy.
very close as a language.
Yes, enjoy. I make some more for you. Plenty there. You see, we all eat already. You guys, one more, have some more, okay? Enjoy.
Yeah.
No salt, no pepper, nothing? Oh,
I think it's
it's very healthy. Very good. Better than salt and pepper even. Cheers
Thanks.
to our neighbor in
this
love.
afternoon.
Yeah, our neighbor. Your wife coming home soon, huh? And when she comes, let us know. We invite her also.
Okay. Now is the time that I have to invite you.
No.
Yeah, why not?
Okay, why not? But whenever. It's not like you have to.
So you see also my house.
Yeah, I like. I've been in your house and you invite me orange and all kind of stuff. And your dogs always say hello when we pass by. She is lovely. Okay, here guys. Two water for my plate. Wow, nice, eh? Nice and cold. Yeah. I really want for you later. Hey, some snacks. So. Yeah. When we eat outside, you're going to have some more food. This is just snacks, okay? Little snacks. There you are. Yeah. Skinny guy. Yeah, I mean, you eat some lot of this stuff. Yeah. Really? Want some? Okay, I cut Yeah, you are. Good boy, Bobo.
Ingredients. For all ingredients, please use organic versions if available. For the summertime fondue with veggies, vegan tempura and more, the ingredients are vegan tempura, vegan sausage, tofu, tomatoes, cucumber, olive oil or any preferred vegetable oil, lettuce optional, salt optional, pepper optional, ketchup optional. Frozen fruits: watermelon, dragon fruit, rock melon, fruit juice with ice cubes or colourful sorbets.